10 game-changing cruise secrets for over 50 travelers that cruise lines don't want you to know. You book your dream cruise expecting sophisticated adult relaxation, only to find yourself surrounded by screaming kids and overpriced excursions designed for tourists half your age. The cruise magazines are feeding you outdated stereotypes about what over 50 travelers want, while cruise executives laugh all the way to the bank. You deserve better than their cookie-cutter approach. These are the insider truths that separate rookies from pros at sea. Let's find out. Number 1. The school holiday sabotage strategy. Most cruisers don't realize that cruise lines deliberately market family-friendly sailings during peak times, knowing mature travelers will pay premium prices to avoid crowds. Here's what they keep hidden. Families with children are locked into school holiday schedules, but you're not. While parents scramble for expensive summer and holiday bookings, you can exploit the shoulder seasons when ships run nearly empty of families. Actionable advice. Call guest services and say, "I'm looking for your quietest, adult-focused sailing dates outside school holidays." They'll reveal inventory they rarely advertise. Pro tip, book Caribbean cruises in November through early December, Mediterranean in June or early September, and Alaska in May. These windows offer perfect weather, lower prices, and adult-dominated passenger lists. Think that's strategic? Wait until you hear about the hidden cabin conspiracy. Number 2, the solo cabin shell game. Cruise lines prefer you don't know that solo cabins exist in limited quantities, specifically to create artificial scarcity. They bury these options deep in booking systems, hoping you'll panic and pay double occupancy rates instead. Here's the insider reality. Every major line now offers solo accommodations, but they fill up fast because cruise executives don't want you to find them easily. Actionable advice. When booking, specifically ask, what solo cabin inventory do you have available? And can you alert me when cancellations open up? Most agents won't volunteer this information unless pressed. Pro tip, Celebrity, Holland America, and Norwegian have the most solo options, but you need to book 12 to 18 months ahead. Use Vacations, togo.com's solo deals section to track real-time availability across all lines. If you thought that was shocking, wait until you hear this next one. Number 3, the premium line value hidden truth. Here's where most cruisers get blindsided. Mass market lines like Royal Caribbean and Carnival offer senior discounts to fill ships during off-peak times, but they're still charging you for a product designed for families. What they don't advertise is that premium lines often provide better overall value once you factor in included amenities and adult-focused experiences. Actionable advice. Tell your travel agent, show me the total cost comparison including gratuities, beverages, and specialty dining between mass market and premium options. The math will shock you. Pro tip, lines like Celebrity and Princess include more amenities in base fares, eliminating nickel and dime charges that mass market lines use to inflate final costs. Factor in peace of mind and adult atmosphere, premium often costs less. All right, here's the part nobody talks about regarding dining secrets. Number 4, the specialty dining time hack. This next secret? Cruise lines really don't want you discovering this timing loophole. Specialty restaurants offer early bird and late night pricing that's never advertised in promotional materials. They assume mature travelers won't ask about flexible timing options, so they keep quiet about these substantial discounts. Actionable advice. On embarkation day, visit specialty restaurants and ask, what off-peak dining discounts do you offer for early or late reservations? You'll often get 25 to 50% off published prices. Pro tip, book 5:30 p.m. or 9:30 p.m. slots for maximum savings. These times work perfectly for mature travelers who prefer earlier dinners or leisurely late meals without kid interruptions. Now, this might surprise you about shore excursion secrets. Number 5, the excursion markup racket. Most cruisers don't realize that cruise lines assume over 50 travelers want boring bus tours with minimal walking, so they package low-energy, high-markup excursions that treat you like fragile passengers instead of adventurous adults. What they don't advertise is that these tours often cost 300% more than independent alternatives offering far better experiences. Actionable advice. Skip the ship's shore excursion desk entirely. Instead, tell your cabin steward, I'm planning independent touring. Can you recommend reliable local contacts? They often have insider connections. Cruise lines don't want you to know about. Pro tip, join your cruise's cruisecritic.com roll call group 3 to 6 months before sailing. Fellow passengers share tested local guides, verified tour operators, and money-saving port strategies that blow away cruise line offerings. Quick pause. If you found this helpful so far, tap like and subscribe. It helps us keep sharing the truths cruise lines won't tell you. And trust me, the biggest money-saving secrets are right around the corner. Number 6, the cabin location intelligence strategy. Here's the mistake that costs passengers the most comfort and sleep. Cruise lines assign cabins based on availability, not optimal placement for mature travelers. They won't tell you that certain deck locations guarantee better sleep, easier access, and fewer disturbances because they want flexibility to place you anywhere. Actionable advice. When booking, specifically request, I need a midship cabin on decks 6 to 8 away from kid zones and crew areas. Insist on reviewing deck plans before finalizing your booking. Pro tip. Avoid decks directly above or below pools, kids clubs, theaters, or crew quarters. Midship cabins on lower passenger decks offer the most stability and quietest nights, crucial for mature travelers who value rest. This next part, it's the deal breaker most people never consider. Number 7, the medical emergency money trap. Cruise lines count on mature travelers panicking and paying inflated onboard medical fees instead of preparing properly beforehand. Ship medical centers charge emergency room prices for basic treatments, and they're not equipped for serious issues. What they keep hidden is how inadequate their medical facilities really are for mature travelers' needs. Actionable advice. Before boarding, tell guest services, I have prescription medications. What's your policy for emergency refills and medical documentation? Get their medical center contact information for your records. Pro tip, pack a complete first aid kit including tooth repair supplies, ships have no dentists, split prescriptions between carry-on and checked luggage, and photograph all prescription bottles. Cruise-specific travel insurance with medical evacuation coverage is non-negotiable. Ready for something that'll change how you think about cruise timing? Number 8, the repositioning goldmine. Cruise lines barely advertise repositioning cruises because they prefer selling profitable weekly rotations instead. These twice-yearly sailings happen when ships move between regions, and they're practically family-free because parents can't book 2-week sailings during school periods. It's the best-kept secret for sophisticated cruising. Actionable advice. Contact cruise specialists directly and say, I want your repositioning inventory for April and October. Show me everything available. These agents often hold the best repositioning deals for their most valuable clients. Pro tip, April Atlantic crossings from Caribbean to Mediterranean and October returns offer luxury ship experiences at bargain prices with sophisticated passenger demographics. Book these 15 to 18 months ahead as availability disappears quickly. Here's where the cruise lines get really sneaky about loyalty programs. Number 9, the loyalty program acceleration secret. This next one will shock you more than all the rest. Cruise lines have hidden loyalty status matching and acceleration programs for mature travelers, but they only offer them when pressed. They assume you'll slowly earn status over years, instead of leveraging your existing travel experience and spending power. Actionable advice. Call the cruise line's loyalty department and say, I'm a frequent luxury traveler looking to consolidate my cruise spending. What status matching or fast-track options do you offer? Many lines have unpublished policies. Pro tip, bring documentation of hotel elite status, credit card spending, or other cruise line loyalty levels. Princess, Celebrity, and Holland America often match or accelerate status for valuable mature travelers who ask directly. And finally, the one secret seasoned cruisers swear by. Number 10, the ship within ship upgrade strategy. The last tip is the real game changer. Even on family-friendly lines, exclusive ship-within-ship areas like MSC Yacht Club, Norwegian Haven, and Royal Caribbean Suite areas create adult sanctuaries with dedicated pools, restaurants, and lounges. Cruise lines downplay these options because they want to sell you their base product first. Actionable advice: when comparing cruises, ask specifically, what exclusive ship-within-ship areas do you offer and what's the upgrade cost? Often, these upgrades cost less than switching to premium lines, but deliver superior experiences. Pro tip: these exclusive areas typically have no children allowed during certain hours, dedicated adult pools, and priority everything. The per-day upgrade cost often equals what you'd save on specialty dining and beverages while eliminating family chaos entirely. So, can you tell me which strategy are you implementing first, and what's your own secret for sailing smarter after 50? Drop it in the comments so we can all cruise better together. Ready to discover which family-friendly cruise lines actually offer the best senior discounts and VIP experiences? Click to watch my deep dive into the most surprising cruise line for mature travelers. You won't believe which one makes the list. Hit like, share this with your cruise buddies, and subscribe to join thousands of savvy travelers who refuse to settle for cookie-cutter vacations. Until next time, smooth sailing.